Anthropic can now pay you $7,000 a month to learn how to use AI. And that is because of a brand new program that they just launched. To be eligible for, you don't need a degree, you don't need to know how to code, and you don't even need prior experience with AI. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how the program works, whether you would be eligible for it, and the exact step-by-step process to apply it the right way to massively increase your chances of getting accepted. So close all of your other tabs and let's dive right into it. Now, to find this program, you need to go over to anthropic.com/CloudCorps/fellows, which I will also leave a link for in the description below. And once you do, you will be brought over in this page over here, which basically explains everything that you need to know about the program. And just to make it simple for you, in this video I'm going to highlight the most important parts. So let's start with what is this program exactly, which is a fully funded 12-month paid fellowship that is going to place you inside mission-driven non-profits. And then it tells us that anyone over the age of 18 can apply, but they need to have less than 2 years of full-time work experience, since this program is targeted for people that are just starting out their career. So if you're someone more work experience, this program isn't for you. But if you are someone that's brand new to AI and hasn't yet worked in that field or has worked less than 2 years, then this program is 100% for you. Then they're telling us that there is also no education requirement and that they are looking for fast learners who are pretty comfortable with using AI tools. They also need to be able to work well with others, which is a very important part that we're going to go over later on in the video, and that they can clearly communicate their ideas, and they want to make significant social impact in the non-profits that they're going to be working on. Now, who actually runs this program? Well, there are actually 3 organizations that run it. Anthropic is actually the one funding the program, and it creates its overall strategy. Then we have CodePath, which is a national non-profit that's focused on technical education. And then we have Social Finance Administrators, which is the program's philanthropic side. Well, now you might ask, if I get accepted, who is actually going to employ me? Is it going to be Anthropic? Is it going to be CodePath or Social Finance Administrators? And the answer to that is you're going to become a full-time employee for CodePath with full benefits of that job. So CodePath will handle the payroll, the HR, and host the organization direct day-to-day work. Anthropic is just the one that is funding this program and is providing the expertise and the access to AI. And if you're wondering, this program can actually accept 100 individuals in its first round, but in its 2 upcoming rounds, it will accept more and the number will go all the way up to 1,000 individuals. Now, this program is going to be hosted across a bunch of different non-profit organizations of all sizes, geographies, and focus areas. And they're going to be focused around all of these key areas like arts and culture, civic technology, community development, education, environment and conservation, and a bunch more, which you can take a look at by yourself in the website. Now, let's go over in the program overview, and let's answer the question that most of you are thinking. Am I actually eligible to apply to this? Well, to be eligible for this, you need to be over the age of 18 and have under 2 years of full-time work experience. You also need to be authorized to work in the United States. So if you don't have that, you will not be able to apply and be accepted to this program. There is also no degree requirement, which is very good because you need no technical education, and it's totally fine even if you never written a line of code in your life. Plus, you also do need to be willing to relocate because your host organization could be anywhere inside the United States. So you need to be open to moving for the year of the job. But the good thing is that the program also covers all the relocation costs for you. And that is only if you actually need to relocate, because maybe the job is in your city and you don't actually have to move. Now, what is the application's selection process? Where first you have to apply, and the deadline to apply is till the 17th of July 2026. And that is just for the first cohort, where if you're accepted, the program starts at October 19th, 2026. But the good thing is that applications will stay open for the next 2 cohorts on January and on August 2027. Now, what does the application actually include? Well, the first thing that it has is the short questionnaire with your personal information. Then you also need to attach your resume/CV, and then you will need to answer some further questions about the experience that you have with AI and working with code. Again, this is not a requirement, so you're totally fine even if you don't have any experience. And then you will be asked to complete 2 courses made by Anthropic. The first one is 14 lectures and is around 1 hour long, where at the end of it you simply take one quiz, and if you pass the quiz, you get the certification and you can move forward. And same thing with the Claude one-to-one course. You simply enroll in the course. Again, this also takes around 1 hour. You complete it, you get the certificate, and then with these 2 certificates, you actually can apply to the program. Now, don't worry, these courses are not hard to complete. They're actually pretty simple. They just require the 2-hour time investment that I mentioned. And then, if you're one of the people that get selected, you will have a home assessment, which is going to be just a simple 25-minute conversation with their team, and then you will move forward to a final round of 2 interviews. Now, Anthropic and CodePath employees are going to conduct these conversations and interviews, and at the end, if you're selected, you will simply interview with 2 or 3 host organizations to find the best fit for you based on the projects, your own skill sets, and your own interests. Now, what are they looking for in fellow applicants, which is probably the most important section of this whole video. And the first one is that they actually have used AI in the past. So you need to have some experience using Claude or any other AI model in your daily life. Again, you don't need a degree for this, you just need to be in the AI space basically and know how to actually use AI to get your desired outcome. And again, they specifically say that you don't need to have any experience with coding or other technical tasks, so you shouldn't be worried about that. Then they also want you to be interested in learning new skills, which is very important, and you should also not be afraid of trying new things on your own. Then they also need you to be a good communicator, so you can communicate your ideas effectively, and you also need to be able to work well with others. Also, it's a very big plus if you've shown up for something like a specific cause, a community, or a problem that matters to you, and if you've tried to do something about it in a small or in a large way. And the thing that they don't mention here, that is probably the most important thing, is that you need to be aligned with Anthropic's values. Because if you're not, they're simply not going to accept you guys. So before you apply and before you go into any interview, make sure you go over to Google, you search for Anthropic values, and you take your time reading through them so you understand exactly what their purpose is, exactly what they stand for, and exactly what they will not accept. Because if you apply and you are against the company's values, they will simply decline your application. They obviously are not saying this publicly, but trust me, they do want you to be aligned with what they believe in and what they stand for. So, I would strongly advise you to take some time to read the values and what they're trying to achieve in the world, and make sure that when you're asked a question about it, you basically agree with their values. Because if you don't, they will not accept you, and maybe if you're against the values, you probably don't even want to work for them. And now, let's answer the question of what does this partnership look day to day? Well, first of all, you are a full-time paid employee. So CodePath is going to be your employer for the year. You're going to get a full salary, health benefits, and paid time off, just like a normal employee would. Then you would also need to work on site at your host, which means that you need to be in person, and this is not a remote work. And you also need to keep learning, even after the training bootcamp that you're going to go through. And you will also have access to a CodePath mentor, plus access to the Anthropic office for hard technical questions. But what happens after the fellowship ends? Well, now you will have something very good to put in your CV, since you have worked with big companies like Anthropic and CodePath, which can really help you landing a high-paying job in the tech industry. Plus, you have also built relationships with your host and Anthropic, which can really help you in the future. And now, let's move over to the section that most of you are going to be interested in, which is the pay and benefit section. So, what is your salary exactly? Well, your salary will come out to around $85,000 per year, which per month is around $7,000 per month, and it's going to be paid twice a month. So in the middle of the month and at the end of the month. Now, what benefits are included? As a full-time CodePath employee, you get all of these benefits like medical, dental, and vision insurance, 401k retirement plan, paid holidays and flexible PTO, life and disability insurance, and additional benefits including FSA, EAP, and pet insurance. And another pretty interesting question is that are you going to get access to the Anthropic API? And the answer is yes. Each fellow receives up to $2,500 in Claude API credits to use on your host's approved projects, which is more than enough to complete any project. Like with this many APIs, you can literally build like 5 or 6 full stack applications. And you will also receive training on that as part of the base bootcamp that you're going to go through. And now the last question that I want to address is that can fellows hold a second job during the fellowship? And the answer to that is that this is a full-time commitment, and any outside employment or freelance that conflicts with the fellowship duties or compromises performance is not permitted, but they are open to allowing you outside employment based on your situation, and what you should do is simply talk to your CodePath program contact, and then they will let you know if you're actually allowed outside employment or not. So that was everything that you needed to know about this Anthropic Fellowship program, and I just wanted to make a video letting you know about it, since I do think it is a very good opportunity if you meet the requirements and you also want to get in the AI/tech industry without having any prior experience. So again, I'm going to leave the link in the description below, so make sure you click on it and you go and apply so you can start working with Anthropic and CodePath. And I will see you in the next video.